vessel is identified as MV Cueva who is close approaching at the port of Busan, South Korea.
Port Service. This is MV Cueva. How do you read me? Over.
MB Cuba, this is port service. I read you good. Change to Chrome 1 2 over.
Port Service. This is MV Cueva. Change to channel 1, 2, over.
MB Cuba, this is port service. What is your ETA at pilot station over?
Port Service. My ETE at pilot station is at 22 hours local time, over.
MB Cuba, what is your call sign over?
Port Service. My call sign is Delta Whiskey Kilo Eco 7, over.
MB Cuba, what is your last port of call and cross tonnage over?
Port Service. My last port of call was Canada and my gross tonnage in 49255, over.
MB Cuba, are you carrying dangerous goods over?
Port Service. We do not carry dangerous goods, over.
MB Cuba, your message is loud and clear. You must call when you pass the Boy Delta Romeo 4 on channel 12. 1 2 over.
When Delta Romeo 4 on channel 12, over.
On channel 1 2 over.
Port Service. This is MB Cueva channel 12, over.
MB Cuba, this is port service. I read you loud and clear. Go ahead over.
Port Service. We are passing reporting Point Delta at 21:15 hours local time, over.
MB Cuba, I read you loud and clear. You must call when you're at Pier 3 over.
Port Service. We read you aloud and clear. We will call when me birth at Pier 3, over.
MV Cueva, this is port service. Go ahead over.
Port Service. We rapid anchor and pilot station Western Delta bearing 275, over.
MV Cueva, I read you loud and clear. Stand by at channel 1 2 for next instruction over. MV Cueva, this is port service over.
Port Service. This is MVQB. Proceed, over.
MV Cueva, can now proceed to Pier 3 at 2210.
Port Service. We read you aloud and clear. We will wait until the pilot arrives and proceed to Pier 3, over.
MV Cueva, stand by on channel 1 2 over.
Port Service. We will stand by at channel 12 out.